Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Today we're making unicorn cookies. They're very colourful, very easy to make, and definitely good fun. So, let's get started. First of all, you need 110 grams of butter. Pop that into a mixing bowl and add in 95 grams of caster sugar. Whisk those together. And then add in 1 beaten egg. Once that's whisked in, you can add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Next, pour in 350 grams of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Fold those in using a spatula, and then pour in 30 millilitres of milk. Mix to form a dough. Get your hands in there. And once your dough is ready, you're going to split it into portions. We're making 4 portions, and using your thumb, press an indent in the middle of each one, then add a little gel food colour, starting with pink, then yellow, then violet, then sky blue. Once the colours have been blended, you can roll each one into a long, thin sausage. Then place them together on a work surface. And roll those into one fatter sausage. Then twist it up and spiral. And your unicorn cookies are ready to go in the oven. Bake at 170 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes and they should come out looking something like this. And there you have it. Super colourful unicorn cookies. Enjoy!